Arlington now offers another cost-saving recessed cover kit that fits most 4.5-inch concrete floor boxes. Plated metal in-box cover kits come with brass or nickel-plated covers and an ultra-thin flange. These UL-listed economical cover kits cost 20% less than solid brass, like our FLBC4580D series. The recessed assembly installs into the concrete box so it looks great, and reduces tripping caused by plugs sticking out of the box. Kits include an installed 15-amp receptacle and a divider so you can have power and low voltage in the same box. They're easy to install, too. After the concrete's cured, install the floor, then cut the box to the finished floor height. If installing low voltage, cut the same amount off the divider as you cut from the box. Wire receptacle, and secure the leveling ring assembly to the box with PVC cement. If desired, caulk under the flange. To finish, install the gasketed cover blank until ready to use the box. Then substitute the slotted cover when the cords are plugged in. Arlington's plated metal in-box cover kits fit most 4.5-inch concrete boxes, including our heavy-duty FLBC4580 and FLBC4502. Here's the economical solution to installing a recessed device and low voltage in a new concrete floor from Arlington.